Welcome to SMT 2018 and EPP. Maybe you want to introduce yourself.
Good morning, Tobias. Thank you very much. My name is Marie Kaing and I am Sales Director for Europe for company Inventec. So Inventec is a company, global company, manufacturing soldering, cleaning and coating material for electronics. And we have recently gone through a global reorganization of the company called Inventec High-Tech, and this is the reason why I started my new responsibility to reorganize the sales in Europe. So this new organization is really focused on expansion to the international sphere and really focusing on different industries such as transport, semiconductor, medical, aerospace, telecom and energy.
Okay, very interesting. What news will you be announcing on the fair?
Yes, so today at the SMT show we are promoting mainly 3 different products, which is the first one is a solder paste, a product called Ecoral-free 16 LVD, which is a halogen-free, lead-free and no-clean solder paste for low voiding. The second one is a ultra-thin coating for PCB protection, mainly for water protection based on fluoroacrylated polymer. And the third product we're pushing is a UV curable conformal coating material, mainly for PCB protection, for moisture protection, from one of our partner, AB Chimie. So in 2015, Inventec acquired a new company called Amtec, which is a solder powder company. We recently upgraded the soldering powder facility, manufacturing plant, a month ago. So this is really a very good add-on and strategical add-on to the Inventec innovation, because we now upgraded the plant and the laboratory, which feature things like chemical analysis, particle size analysis for solder powder. So this is a very strategic acquisition for Inventec to be market leader in this area.
Very interesting. Which specific target markets do you focus on?
Right, so as part of the reorganization of Inventec, which is called now Inventec High-Tech, we are focusing on really on a target group as industry. So focusing on industries such as transport, which includes automotive and railway, semiconductor, aerospace and defense, medical, telecom and energy. So really an industry-focused type of target.
Yeah, looks very complete. How do you think your market has developed in 2018?
Very good so far. The first half year has been quite good in terms of global growth. As didn't mention that between 2005 and 2015, Inventec has doubled its turnover, and we'll continue to accelerate this growth quite dramatically. So so far 2018 has been good so far, and we are really happy, and we hope that it will continue for the future.
Thank you very much.